Deadly conduct trial for an Austin police officer seems to be coming to a close.
Today, jurors heard from the last witnesses in the deadly conduct trial of Officer Christopher Taylor. He's on trial for the 2019 shooting death of Maurice Da Silva in downtown Austin. KVUE's Malia Masamoto is back in the courtroom today, checking on today's proceedings. Good afternoon.
Brian and Jenny, today this whole afternoon was taken up by questioning just one witness, the defense last witness, Mark Sawa, a retired officer and expert on police practices. Now, prosecutors argue that responding officers acted too quickly, shooting Da Silva, who was armed with a knife. Now, Sawa made the defense's argument today, saying Taylor did act reasonably and prudently because he was a danger to himself and others. Now, Sawa said, considering the information officers had and the immediacy of the situation, because Da Silva was in a public space in the condo complex holding a knife, they acted justly. Now, the state also had an issue with Sawa's testimony that Da Silva's blank stare and non-responsiveness, they believe that the state was trying to say that that was not a reason to believe he was not going to attack officers. Now, prosecutors also asked Sawa if he thought officers should have taken the elevator up there, putting them in close proximity to the threat of Da Silva, and Sawa said yes, because they needed to get there the fastest.
Was it prudent?
What prudent?
The decision to take the elevator to a place where you would confront Mr. Da Silva with the smallest amount of space and the least amount of time. Was that prudent?
Without knowing those things, yes, it was prudent.
During defense's questioning of Sawa, they went frame by frame through the body camera video of the shooting, and Sawa testified that in the series of just those 3 seconds, Da Silva moved from a potential threat to an immediate threat when he didn't drop the knife, started walking towards officers, and was just mere feet away from them with a weapon. Now, just about 20 minutes ago, the defense rested their case. The judge decided to break for the day, but when they come back tomorrow, the jury will have the charges read to them, and then they will hear closing arguments from both sides and start their deliberations. Live at the Travis County Courthouse, Malia Masamoto, KVUE News.